Now let's talk about the airflow. On the filter tray you will see this up arrow, and sometimes people confuse it with the airflow. What it means in this case is simply where the top of the filter should be. If you get the OEM part, normally you will see the same up arrow on the filter as well, and as I said, it only shows you where the top of the filter should be. If you get the aftermarket part like this one, the arrow will actually point down, and in this case it indicates the airflow. So for this filter, the top is this side. The side where you will see the debris normally indicates the airflow, so it flows from top to the bottom. To confirm this in this vehicle, right now we'll show you a simple test. So we will use this leaf to test our airflow. I will turn on the AC. Without the air filter, I will insert the leaf inside, and look what happens. The air pushes the leaf down, which means that the air is flowing from top to the bottom. Even though this arrow points up, we still have to go by this one in this case, because this indicates the airflow. So this will be the top of the air filter.